is how might the universe end and does it have an edge? Intro.
My name is Neil Truman, and I have what every man in America wants.
How will our universe come to an end? Will it rip to shreds in a flash? Collapse in on itself? Or will it slowly freeze to death? Scientists are imagining the unimaginable. And they're coming up with some wild ideas about how it's all going to end. This is the end of the universe.
Okay, so that's a quick little intro. So first, unified theory, the big crunch.
The year is 20 billion AD, and there is something gravely wrong
Turn it down.
with the universe. Ever since its explosive birth, the universe has been expanding, growing ceaselessly into an infinite unknown. However, on this day in the distant future, looking up at the sky, galaxies from all directions have reversed course and are speeding towards our own Milky Way. The catastrophic implication is fatal. The universe is collapsing, and everything we know will cease to be. Life is doomed.
When we look at other galaxies, we'll see them coming in toward us on a collision course.
All of a sudden we see stars coming at us from all directions.
All the galaxies will start colliding, and the stars within them will get crunched together. The stars will collide, the planets will collide, planets will get swallowed by stars.
All of a sudden temperatures begin to rise. All of a sudden the oceans boil. All of a sudden the mountains will melt.
Oh man, it's going to be chaos. It's going to be pandemonium.
And the universe itself begins to reach blisteringly temperatures. All intelligent life must die because we'll all be incinerated.
The universe ends with a bang in a cosmic fireball. This is the vision of the apocalypse, according to a theory known as the Big Crunch.
What's happening with the Big Crunch?
Okay, so if you didn't understand that, basically what it said was since the Big Bang, I told you it in my first 20%, the big explosion that was the beginning of the universe, ever since the universe was expanding. Now in the video it was saying that now they're suddenly turning toward us, so like they've switched courses. So basically it's a reverse Big Bang theory. So instead of going kaboom, it goes back in time. So all of these are gonna go back to the place where the universe started, and then it's gonna make a huge collision that will destroy every living thing on the planet.
The volume of space in the universe seems destined to increase forever.
What this means is that distant galaxies are going to go zooming away from us and will eventually become invisible because they'll be too far away to see.
And without seeing galaxies rushing away from each other, future civilizations will lose all sense of history. They won't know that there was ever a Big Bang.
So you will think that the only structure within the universe is the Milky Way galaxy, and that the rest of the universe is effectively empty, devoid of stars.
Another scientific theory proposes that this expansion will balloon even faster. If this does happen, a violent end awaits our cosmos.
Suppose the amount of repulsive energy increases with time per unit volume. It'll eventually grow strong enough to cause clusters of galaxies to get ripped apart, and then galaxies themselves will get ripped apart. The stars will start flying away from one another, no longer held together by gravity. And then planetary systems like our solar system will get ripped apart. And then stars and planets will get ripped apart. And then humans will get ripped apart. And then the very atoms of which we are made will get ripped apart. That's called the Big Rip. And it's a really scary possibility. But don't worry.
Okay. So basically, what that was saying, first of all, what happens to a balloon when it gets too big? Pardon? It pops, yeah. Okay, so the universe is going to expand. It's going to get too big, and it's just going to rip down to the last atom or particle. Okay, the Big Chill theory. Okay, basically what this means is that everything in space possibly has helium and hydrogen inside it. So when the universe keeps on expanding, every living thing will lose its helium and hydrogen, and it will slowly freeze to death. Every living thing. Okay, question 2. Does the universe have an edge? Yes or no? Yes. I know it's hard to believe, but well, scientists have not actually proven that it has or hasn't, but I'm going to tell you both ways that it's possible. Okay, so say this is the shape of the universe, and everything is inside. Every single galaxy is inside. So the edge of the universe, inside it is every living galaxy. But I know you're gonna be a bit confused, but I know you may think the universe is infinite, like it's like huge. It is huge, but it doesn't go on like forever. So basically, and there's another question. How do galaxies keep basically how do they not collapse? So it's like a say a gravitational pull. It pulls these, but this time it's actually a gravitational push. So it keeps on getting the galaxies far away so they don't collapse. Oh, no. Okay, so the no part is the universe goes on forever. The galaxies are in it, and there's, like I was saying, the gravitational pull keeps on pushing it away, so it can get bigger without an edge.